Hey guys, it's me, Mr. Salazar. I hope that you guys are doing well. I'm here at home, and now, as you probably already know, you're going to be doing your work on Google Classroom. You have all these different classrooms that you're going to be using to do your work for the content areas, and also my class and uh, the other elective classes, I should say. So I hope that you guys have been doing well. I hope that you guys are keeping safe. I hope that you guys are, keeping busy, and also don't forget to do your work. And I might too have been doing good. So I'm happy to actually. Some of you have been emailing me or here keeping in touch through Google Classroom. It's good to see that you guys are doing well. And so don't forget to make sure that you check on Google Classroom because you do have things that you're going to be doing. So let me just tell you real quickly what's going on. First of all, if you look here under my Google Class, this is first period. I'm using this as an example. You're going to have two assignments that you guys are going to be working on. It's called Closing for Coronavirus and Coronavirus for Answer for Kids. So these are two that you're going to be working on. Now they might have like writing prompts and quizzes. Check on the right hand side. It's called News ELA. Both of them are from that website. There are two articles. You're going to work, like I said, on the writing prompt and also answer some questions. So you're going to get to do that for these two assignments that are here listed. Now down here, this I'm doing one. Like this is for Coach Siller. Don't forget that he has a remind. So if you come here and you look at the screenshot, if you send a text message to him, you send it at 81010 and at A Siller, you'll be able to keep in touch with Coach Siller and make sure that your parents get this information. And you too, for that matter, get that information so you guys can keep in touch with Coach Siller because he wants to give you information as we go along. Um, okay, so that's his. This is mine, by the way. So make sure that you guys also communicate with me, vice versa, like between you and your parents and myself. If you have any questions, you can be reached through Remind. If you click on the link, it will take you. And as you can see, we already have Rick Nunez, Adriana, and Romeo Guzman that already signed up. Make sure you sign up. The information is right here, guys. Okay, so don't forget to go to Remind. It's all pretty much just follow through on what you need to do for each section of the whatever it's asking you to do and to go step by step. Okay, so don't forget if you have any questions, send me a message, email me, and I will help you out so you guys can get Remind. But as I'm saying right now, me and Coach Siller have Remind. If there's any other teacher who has Remind, I'll post it here so you guys can be able to keep in touch with it, or I should say, your parents should be able to keep in touch with us. The other thing is also if you go to this one, the third one, there's also work that's going to be found on the website. If you go to the website, okay, you scroll down, there's the information right here. It's going to tell you what are the codes that you need to be using to get into these Google Classrooms for language arts. I'm sorry, yeah, for language arts and for social studies. Okay, so these are going to be the ones that you're going to be using for math and science. They already have their own classes, so you should be able to see their work from there. Okay, and in case you need to, I put some screenshots for you there, or you go straight to the Kaizen Middle School homepage through this link. Okay, so again, if you have any questions, the first two are going to be assignments. This one has to do with the homepage where you go in to get the Google Classroom codes. These two are Remind, which is a way to keep in touch with your parents and yourself so you know what's going on. If there's anything I need to let you know, I will shoot it through Remind, or not, I'll do it here on Google Classroom. So this is mine, and this is Coach Siller. So again, guys, supposedly we might be coming back to school, teachers and students on April 24th, I think. If that changes, I'll let you know. I'll post it here on Google Classroom or on Remind or both. Who knows? And just keep safe, okay? And we'll keep in touch. Have a good one. Bye.